Welcome all. So now the next question is, in the Taylor series expansion of e raised to z plus sine z about the point z equal to pi, the coefficient of z minus pi square is, okay, so what is f of z given? E raised to z plus sine z. Procedure is very simple. F of z given is e raised to z plus sine z. Find out its derivatives. So f dash z will be e raised to z plus cos z. F double dash z will be e raised to z minus sine z. Okay, so we have found the derivative. Now what point is given? Z equal to pi. So calculate the values at z equal to pi. So what is value of f of pi? E raised to pi plus cos plus sine pi. Sine pi value is 0. Then what is value of f dash pi? E raised to pi plus cos pi. Cos pi value is minus 1. Then f double dash pi e raised to pi minus sine pi. Sine pi value is 0. So we have found the values also. Then you know that about any point x equal to a, the Taylor series expansion is, so Taylor series expansion is, so point given is f of pi, point given is z equal to pi, so Taylor series expansion will be f of z equal to f of pi plus f dash pi divided by 1 factorial into z minus pi plus f double dash pi divided by f double dash pi divided by 2 factorial into z minus pi square plus dash dash dash. So this is the Taylor series expansion. Then substitute the values. So f of pi value is e raised to pi, f dash pi value is e raised to pi minus 1, f double dash pi value is e raised to pi. So substitute all these values here. So f of z equal to f of pi value is e raised to pi plus f dash pi value is e raised to pi minus 1 into z minus pi, f double dash pi value is e raised to pi divided by 2 factorial into z minus pi square plus dash dash dash. Now what they have asked? The coefficient of, what is the question? The coefficient of z minus pi square. So what is coefficient of z minus pi square? So this thing is nothing but the coefficient of z minus pi square. So the coefficient is nothing but e raised to pi divided by 2 factorial. So the answer is coefficient of z minus pi square is equals to e raised to pi divided by 2 factorial, that is nothing but 0.5 e raised to pi. Now let's look at the options. The correct answer is option B. Now let's see one more question. The Taylor series expansion of sin z upon z minus pi at z equal to pi is given by. Now whenever you will have such type of question, point given is z equal to pi and 1 upon z minus pi is present in the denominator. So in that case, first of all you should find out the Taylor series of sin z and then divide each term by z minus pi. Okay, so we will not consider f of z as sin z upon z minus pi and we will find its derivative. No, we should find the derivative of sin z. We should calculate the derivatives at this point and then we should write the series of sin z. After that you should divide each term by z minus pi. Similarly, suppose if you have the question like e raised to z upon z square. So in this case you will find the derivatives of e raised to z. You will calculate the values of derivatives for only e raised to z. After that you will divide each term by z square. Okay, so chalo, f of z क्या है? Sin z. क्या है procedure? Find out its derivative. So f of z is sin z. So find the derivative. So f dash z cos z, f double dash z minus sin z, f triple dash z minus cos z. Then calculate the values. Now you will ask one question, why here I am taking 3 derivative, there earlier we have taken 2 derivative, because if you look at the options, we have 3 factorial, and 3 factorial comes when we take derivative 3 times. So that's why here I am taking the derivative 3 times. Earlier in that question they have asked the coefficient of z minus pi square. So that means I have to take the derivative 2 times. But here, as 3 factorial is there, 3 factorial comes with the 3 times derivative. That's why I am taking derivative 3 times. Okay. So now calculate the point. Point given is z equal to pi. So calculate all these derivatives at z equal to pi. So f of pi will be first value. F of pi sin pi value 0. Then f dash pi cos pi value is -1. Then f double dash pi sin pi value is 0. Then f triple dash pi. So minus cos pi. So minus into -1. So its value is +1. The twist in the question is this only, that you have to find out the value. All options are similar. You have to be careful with the sign, minus plus sign. Okay. Chalo, next, write the Taylor series expansion. So Taylor series expansion is f of z equal to f of pi plus z minus pi, sorry, f dash pi divided by 1 factorial into z minus pi plus f double dash pi divided by 2 factorial into z minus pi square plus f triple dash pi divided by 3 factorial into z minus pi square cube plus dash dash dash. Substitute the values. Substitute these values here. So it becomes f of pi value is, what is value of f of pi? 0, -1, 0, 1. Okay. So 0, then it is nothing but -1. F dash pi value is -1 into z minus pi plus f double dash pi value is 0. Then f triple dash pi value is 1 divided by 3 factorial into z minus pi cube. So this is the Taylor series of sin z at z equal to pi. But in the question what they have asked, Taylor series expansion of sin z upon z minus pi. तो अब क्या करना है, ये टेलर सीरीज जो साइन जेड की आई उसको हर एक टर्म को z माइनस पाई से डिवाइड करना है. सो द सॉल्यूशन विल बी टेलर सीरीज एक्सपेंशन ऑफ साइन जेड अपॉन z माइनस पाई विल बी, so sin z upon z minus pi will be 1 upon z minus pi into these terms minus z minus pi plus 1 upon 3 factorial into z minus pi cube plus dash dash dash. So now multiply by this 1 upon z minus pi, so it becomes z minus pi divided by z minus pi, so it becomes -1, then plus 1 by 3 factorial z minus pi cube divided by z minus pi, so this becomes z minus pi square plus dash dash dash. Now look at the option, -1 plus 1 by 3 factorial is present in which option? -1 plus 3 factorial, -1, okay, -1 प्लस यहाँ पे बी ऑप्शन में प्लस साइन है, 3 फैक्टोरियल. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. ओके, थैंक यू.